Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. Yes, I just said videos and I'm not recording it again. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. My voice is still this way. I am recording a bunch in one day. So let's jump right into the video. I am starting with a 20-ounce tumbler. I spray painted white, went ahead and glittered and epoxied it. And I printed out these water slides. I got all these images from Creative Fabrica, although I did kind of arrange some of them myself. But anyway, I put the one water slide in and wet my tumbler. So I'm getting ready to do kind of like a split tumbler using water slides. And I thought these design was just so beautiful. So I'm placing it face down, putting it down and pulling it away so that I can eliminate a lot of the water that's underneath it and use my squeegee and squeegee out the rest of the water. Now I'm going to tell you, this gave me issues and we'll see that a little later in the video. But I'm just going to continue to work the water out, and when I'm satisfied, I'll move on to the other side. And I'm going to place the side that I just did back onto its sheet that it came off of to keep it from sticking to my cup cradle. So I wet the other side and place that decal, that water slide on there as well. And it just says, "Live life in full bloom." I love this saying, and I have for so long, and it just fit perfectly for this particular tumbler. Now this side, a couple of the pieces wanted to roll on me and I had to work with them. But I got it all figured out, at least I thought I did. And here this side, again, giving me issues and working all of that water out. And then I do put a little decal on the bottom as well after I get done fixing what I think I'm fixing. This one little bloom. So I got the bottom on. I'm going to let this sit and completely dry before moving on. Now, before I wanted to epoxy, I wanted to add the stripes on the sides. So I printed out in this really pretty like gold glitter vinyl and smoothed that down, went flawlessly. Do the other side also. And then I make sure to cut off the excess from each side, just using my craft knife. And then I went and I sealed this with the CC DIY clear coat, and then I'm going to give it a couple coats of epoxy. Then I noticed that after the epoxy, my ink bled and there was still water trapped under after I made sure to get it all out. I don't know why. I sealed this water slide 4 times. It should not have bled like that. So anyway, my solution was to scrap that whole thing, and I sublimated this tumbler and did the exact same thing except for the one on the bottom. And I absolutely love how that turned out. I added the glitter into my epoxy to do the top coats, and it just turned out absolutely stunning. So you let me know, do you like the brighter version of the water slide or the more muted, which I prefer the more muted of the sublimation, but that is what happened to me. And I don't know if it was my printer. I've since gotten a new one. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.